Okay, question 20. 1 gallon of floor paint costs $24.99. It can cover a 20-foot by 20-foot floor. How much would the floor paint cost to paint a 180-foot by 180-foot floor? All right. So let's just visualize what we're looking at here. We have a floor space that's 20 by 20, 20 feet by 20 feet. And that is 1 gallon of paint that costs $24.99. So we're going to look at a giant floor that's 180 by 180 feet, and it's asking how much is it going to cost? That's our X. So how much? Okay, well let's see what we're looking at. Are these similar? That's a good question to start with. Yes, they're both squares. They have the same side on each. So they're all right angles here because our side lengths are the same. So because these are similar, we can use our similar triangles formulas. And we're looking at area. When you paint something, you're covering that whole space. That's the area of the floor. So to find area, we take length times width. So 20 by 20, which is 400. And then we also have this giant floor, 180 times 180. So 400 square feet, and then 32,400 square feet. So to get my ratio here, I'm going to take the area of the small room to the area of the big room, and then I'm going to take gallons of paint needed for the small room, gallons of paint needed for the big room. And once we know that gallons, we're going to be able to find the cost. So let's fill in what we know. The area of the small room is 400. The area of the big room is 32,400. We only needed 1 gallon for the small room. How many gallons do we need for the big room? And that's our setup. That's it. So now we're going to cross multiply. And it's nice because we have that 1. So 400 times x equals 1 times 32,400. So to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 400. Which is 81. So to paint that big room, we need 81 gallons. How much is that going to cost? How much is 1 gallon? $24.99. So we're going to take $24.99 81 times. So 2024.19.